Right, right. Hi,
Hi.
you are Karuna, right?
Yes, my name is Karuna.
Hi, Karuna. I think this is our first session together,
Yes, this is my first session with you.
right? And how many sessions have you had so far on Clapping Go?
Okay, so I have taken, I guess, 12 sessions already.
Okay. All right, all right. So
Yeah.
since we are connecting for the first time, can you please introduce yourself?
Okay, so as you know, my name is Karuna and I am from Jamshedpur, Jharkhand, from the
Nice.
eastern
Right.
part of India. And I have completed my post graduation and B.Ed as well. So as
Okay.
profession, I am a teacher.
Oh, wow, that's amazing.
Yeah,
So are
I
you
teach
working as a
English.
teacher right now, or are you pursuing a bachelor's? What is it that you said? BTech.
B.Ed.
No,
No,
B.Ed.
no,
B.Ed.
B.Ed. B.Ed. I have completed
Okay.
B.Ed. Yeah.
You have done
So
that. Okay.
yes.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So are you planning to do an MEd?
Uh, n- no.
No.
So yeah, now I am learning this language, but maybe later it could be, yeah, it could be happen.
It can happen.
It can happen.
Yeah,
Yeah, it can
right.
happen. Yes,
And I
yes.
have to, yeah, yeah, okay. And I must tell you that a lot of people from Jamshedpur has been on this platform before, and I've connected with them. In fact, one of my friends, her name is I don't remember her name, but still she worked at Tata Steel. It's a
Yes,
big thing over
Tata
there.
Steel. Yes.
Yeah.
Tata Steel. Yeah. Yes,
Yes.
Tata
Yes.
Steel. Yes.
So yes.
So yeah,
So
so Jamshedpur is called Steel City.
Steel City. Yeah. She told me that.
Yeah.
Right. Yes. Okay, so I'll just quickly introduce myself.
So have
So
you
I'm
ever
Yogesh.
been here in
No, I've
Jamshedpur?
never been there. No,
Okay.
no, I've never been there. In fact, I live in Kerala, so I
Yeah,
never had an
I know.
opportunity to,
I have
you know.
watched your video. I have watched your video
Oh,
on YouTube. Yeah, some YouTubers they
right.
upload videos, clapping go videos. So yeah, I know.
That's true. Yeah. So you know pretty much all about me, right?
Yeah, you are from Kerala and you work for a bank, I guess.
Exactly. Yep.
Yeah.
That's true.
Yes.
Right,
So what
right,
is
right.
the situation of Kerala? Because I think there it's
Hmm.
some cyclone is going on in southern part. Some cyclone is going on. Cyclone or um,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah. Something of that
couple of
sort is
days
going
ago.
on.
Couple
Right.
of days
Yeah.
ago, cyclone hit. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, on the last Saturday, we had tremendous rains. We couldn't even step out of our houses. It was that heavy, and yeah, I do not know if it's a cyclone that's causing all the weather changes, but it's really nasty, and it was flooded all around my city. So it was really a disastrous thing, but now it's fine. Today it was very sunny.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
I
are you
really
from
do not.
Trivandrum or Trivandrum?
No, no. I'm from a completely different place. I live in a city called Calicut.
Okay. Yeah. Calicut. Calicut. Yeah.
Have,
Okay.
have you ever heard of Calicut before?
I heard, but I haven't been there. But
Hmm.
I want to go Kerala because its name is the God's own country, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
It's
and it
known
is
as
very
the God's.
beautiful.
It is indeed beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes. So whenever you get a chance, go visit Kerala.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay. So
Yeah.
what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are singing. I am very fond to listen music and singing as well. And
Hmm.
and yeah, I in my leisure time I like to do shopping, traveling,
Yeah.
and planting. Yeah.
Right.
So these are my shopping.
Yes.
And nowadays I am learning this language. So
Right.
uh,
Hello.
yeah. So I just try to.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello. Am I audible?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
You are. You are.
Yeah.
Tell
So
me. Yeah.
nowadays I watch YouTube videos, and whenever I get time, so I try to connect with my friends, and
Oh,
I
nice.
speak with them. Yeah.
That's great. That's the best way to, enhance your language.
Yeah.
So if you
Because
do
we
not
need
have,
exposure. We need
that's true,
exposure, and
right?
whatever we
That is so
learn,
true.
we need implement.
We need to implement. We need to
yeah,
implement.
we should implement. We need to
Exactly.
implement. Yeah, yeah,
Exactly.
yes.
Exactly. That is so true. That is so true. So since you have a bunch of friends who can help you with your English, that is the way to do it. Just speak with them. You can have debates. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying? Debates. Yeah. So if you
debates.
conduct debates with each other, it'll help
Mm,
your language as well as their language. It'll develop their language. You'll be very
yeah.
confident. And another question that I have for you is, what subject do you teach at school?
So yeah, as I mentioned, I teach in primary classes. So
Okay.
I teach all the subjects, whatever is there in
Oh,
my schedule. Yeah, because in
right.
primary classes you don't have any subject combination. You have to teach
Hmm.
all the subjects in whatever you have in your timetable.
Hmm.
But my most favorite subjects are maths, EVS,
Okay.
computer, general knowledge.
Hmm,
Yeah,
hmm, hmm, hmm.
these are my most favorite subjects.
Wow, that's fantastic. Right. So yesterday, I had an interaction with a 8-year-old kid, and I was finding it so difficult to interact with him because I couldn't ask all the questions because he wouldn't know. He was speaking well, but still, it was really difficult. So how do you engage with children? That is one question to you.
Yeah, so you can't give lots of lecture. You can't give them
Yes.
lots of lecture. So we
Hmm.
conduct activity. We plan activity, some kind of activity, playway method. So we just try different method. So that
Right.
they will engage. They will
Yeah.
engage in during classes, because nowadays we are taking online classes. Still
Hmm, hmm,
here
hmm.
it is online
Yeah.
classes are going on. Yeah,
Right. Yeah.
yeah. So I like, because I am very fun loving girl, so that is like, if you are giving a lecture, and they because it is quite boring for me, it is quite monotonous, and I feel like it is boring for them also.
That's
So
true.
yeah,
That is true.
yeah, I just scroll YouTube, and whatever in possible way, I just try to find out different kinds of activity, and I implement all those activities in
Right,
my
right.
class.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
understand. Yeah, that is the effect. That's the most effective way, I guess, right? To
yeah,
teach something. Yeah.
yeah,
So
yeah.
yes, yes. Yesterday, I was finding it so difficult to conduct the session, and it was a 25-minute session, so it was for a longer duration.
Long duration.
And yes, and the topic was not meant for him. It was for the session notes I designed for the grown-ups, right?
Yeah.
So it's really difficult to ask questions regarding the session notes, and I somehow completed the session. I told him to narrate a story, which he did,
Yeah.
but yeah, so I found it really hard to engage with the small children.
Student. Yeah, small
Yes,
students. Yes, yes, yes.
small students. Is it really difficult to control them in a classroom?
So are you asking about physical classroom, or just
Yes, yes.
physical
The
classroom?
physical classroom. Yeah.
Sometime like some incident, some students are very funny. So
Right.
like, because they don't understand, they don't understand what teacher is telling, why teacher is yelling
Yes.
at. Yeah, so for some time they
Mhm.
kept quiet. Yeah, they keep quiet.
Mhm.
And
Right.
after some time, after few seconds, they again, they what they want to do, they just
Yeah.
do. Yeah.
Right.
So
Right. Right. So
yes, yes.
primary classes start from first standard to fifth standard, right?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. So you take classes for all the classes, like from first to fifth.
I take classes up to standard 3.
Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Fine. Fine. And for
Yeah.
that, you just need to qualify the B.Ed course. That's all.
No, B.Ed teachers are eligible for up to standard 8. But
Okay. Okay.
actually, I am from accounts background. So this is the
Okay.
issue, because from 6th onwards, they don't have any subject from accounts, like economics,
Right.
accounts, they don't have. So that's why
Mhm.
I can teach in primary classes, or in PGT grade. PGT, that means post graduation teacher, plus one
Okay.
plus
Okay.
two. Yeah, so this is the issue with
Understood.
me.
Right. 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 I understand. I understand.
Yeah,
Okay. So have you gone through the session notes?
yeah, yes, I have. I have
Yeah.
came across. I have come
you have
across.
Okay. So
Yeah.
we'll just discuss a little bit on the topic and then we'll discuss about other things, right?
Okay.
So today's topic is about risks.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll just
Yeah.
ask a few questions. So
Okay.
are you a risk taker?
Yeah, I am a risk taker. Yeah.
Okay.
I I would not say I love to take risk, but sometimes I
Mhm.
don't want to I don't want to leave any opportunities. So in that way,
Right.
I just take risk. And after that,
Okay.
I think, yeah, I should take this risk. And after that, I should explore. I should came to know. I maybe I should come to know what
Hmm.
outcome I will get.
Right. Right. Right.
Yeah.
So you mean to say that you take calculated risks, right? Is that what you meant to say?
Yes, yes, because I will, if I know, yeah, after taking this
Mhm.
risk, I will suffer or I will
Yeah.
put myself into danger. So those kind of
Mhm.
risk I am not supposed to take.
Take.
But yeah, but I take some kind of risk. It
You take
depends. It
small
depends
risks. Small.
upon, yeah, it depends upon the risk, I can say. Mhm.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Right, right, right. That's true. So, in the recent times, what is the main risk, the major risk that you've taken?
uh, recent time, that means like
Means, just recently, have you taken any risks?
recently.
I mean, I'm just talking about a few months ago or a few days ago. Have you taken any risks? That's all.
Yeah. So in at this time I am unable to recall, but
It's
I
okay.
can, yeah, I can tell you, it has happened in the year of 2017, because
Okay.
yeah. So yeah, that time I just started riding my scooty, and I
Okay.
was not expertise. Okay, I have learned. Okay.
Yeah.
And my father was not well, so my father was not well that time, so he was
Mhm.
hospitalized, actually, yeah, for some reason. So actually, I have to cross main road. Actually, it was very
I
bustling
had
road.
to. I had
Yeah,
to.
sorry, yeah, I had to cross the main road, and it was very hustle and bustle road, you can say. So
Hmm.
I had to cross. So yeah, so like one day I took auto rickshaw, but later I
Okay.
thought I know to ride. But yeah, I haven't tried in very bustling road, in very main road, you can say. So why
Mm-hmm.
should not I try? Why should not try? Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I just one day I thought, and I just took my scooty, and after that I just take my heart in my hand, and I just
Took my heart. Took
I
my
took,
heart.
yeah, yeah, I took my heart into my hand, and I
Yeah.
just drive. Yeah. So it was, so that I could say that was the risk I attempt.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
Attempted. Right.
Attempted. Yeah. I don't know why I am making lots of
That's okay.
mistakes.
That's okay. These are all
Yeah.
very common mistakes. It's fine.
Yeah.
Okay. So, have you ever regretted taking a risk?
Sorry.
Have
Have
you
you
ever
ever?
regretted taking a risk?
No, because as I told you, like I am very choosy, I am very picky. I am very picky,
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
I just first I analyze what outcomes can be happen. So yeah,
What
whenever
outcomes
I
can happen? What outcomes can happen?
okay,
What are the
okay, what,
outcomes that can happen?
yeah, what outcomes can happen.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, so only on like only I take risk only on those situation there I know
Mm-hmm.
I will explore myself, and I
Right.
will yeah, I will be aware about myself, like I can do this thing. So yeah, that kind of risk I always take.
Right. 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 I understand. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
That's it. We'll just conclude the topic there. And now I'll just tell you how to, improve,
Yeah.
or I'll just give you my feedback. So,
Okay.
from what I've heard so far, I think you can speak really well. You're a decent speaker. You're not making a lot of mistakes, except for one or two mistakes that you made just now. That's it.
Yeah.
That's all that you made.
Yeah, those mistakes also I know, but while speaking,
Yes,
like,
yes.
yeah.
I totally understand. It happens. It happens a lot. So, since you said that you have a set of friends who's helping you out in speaking the language, that itself is the key. You have to speak to them more. All right. Pick
Yeah.
up random topics and speak on a regular basis. All right.
Oh,
So these mistakes will not be there. It won't exist. It will
yeah,
just
yeah.
vanish. Okay.
Yes.
So another thing that you can do right now is to expand your vocabulary.
Yeah.
So that try to learn 5 to 10 new words every day and implement them while you're speaking.
Yeah.
Okay,
That I am doing. Yeah. I am on the
you're doing
process.
that,
Yeah.
right?
Yes. Yes.
Very good. Yeah, right. And are you watching some Netflix shows or those YouTube videos
Yeah,
where?
YouTube videos I watch. Yeah. Because
Okay,
I don't
okay,
have time, so I don't watch web series or any movies, but
okay.
I watch YouTube videos a lot.
That's
Not
good.
a
That's
lot,
good.
but
So,
whenever I get time in my me time,
hmm,
I watch YouTube videos.
okay, very nice. So whenever you're watching them, try to imitate them, try to mimic them. Like if a
Okay.
native speaker is speaking, try to
Yeah.
speak like him or her. That will definitely help
Yeah.
your language, right?
Okay.
It will develop. You don't have to follow their accents.
Mhm.
You have a very good Indian accent, that is enough, right? You just have to try, constructing sentences like they do,
Yeah.
right? It will be
Okay.
very different and it will be, in the correct manner.
Yeah.
So try doing that. And also, you can use idioms while speaking, little bit
Idioms.
of
Okay.
idioms,
Yeah.
right? You can
Yeah.
learn a few idioms, very common ones. You can just learn and you can use them in your regular conversations. That will also help. Do you have the habit of reading?
Reading. No.
Okay, no problem, no problem. It's fine. But try to at least read newspapers once in a while,
Yeah.
right? That can help you.
Newspapers. Yeah. I read newspapers. I thought maybe you are asking about the book, any kind of book
Books,
or
right?
novel. So I don't. Yeah. I don't read.
Yeah,
But newspaper. Yeah. I update myself every day.
that's great. That's very
Yeah.
good. Yeah. So these are the, small things that you must pay attention to, right?
Yeah.
And also, when you're speaking, you're making mistakes with the singular and plural forms. But
Okay.
that was just in one particular place. That's it. But other than that, you did not make any mistakes. So these are the things to keep in mind. All right.
Definitely.
Okay. Anything else that do you need any other clarification?
Uh. No. I know.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
All right. No problem. Okay.
I know
So
I need more exposure, and I want to practice a lot. Yeah.
yeah. You are doing a really decent job. So no worries. You'll definitely improve for
Okay.
sure. All
Yeah.
right. So our time is almost up. It was
Yes.
really wonderful connecting with you.
Yeah. Yeah. Same here.
Okay. Okay then. Good night.
Okay.
Take
Good night.
care.
Yeah.